Dear all, welcome you all in the video number 8 of lecture series of National Standard Examination of Physics 2022, and this is a very simple problem, but this problem is simple if we know the value of constant parameters with the units. And the question is given on the screen. Obtain the value of E square upon 2 epsilon naught hc. We have to determine the value of this E square upon 2 epsilon naught hc. And we can only determine the value if we know the value of E with their unit. V means charge of electron. Value of charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is epsilon naught. Permittivity of free space, it should be 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, and unit of epsilon naught is coulomb square upon Newton meter square. This is Planck constant H 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, and unit of H is joule second, and this is C, velocity of light, and velocity of light we know very well, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and we have to determine the value of E square upon 2 epsilon naught hc. Put the value of all the parameters, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole square upon 2 epsilon naught means 8.86 into 10 to the power minus 12. This is coulomb square, and this is coulomb square upon Newton meter square. H 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. This is joule second, it should be joule second, and value of C 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We have put the value of all the parameters. Now, if we solve the numerical value, as we know that calculator is allowed in the examination, so we can calculate the numerical value, and it should be 0.0073. This is numerical value, and unit coulomb square upon Newton meter square, joule second meter per second. Second is cancel out, and coulomb square is cancel out, and it should be 0.0073 Newton meter square upon joule. Joule means unit of work done, Newton meter into this meter into meter square, Newton cancel out, it means this is 0.0073, and it becomes unitless. It means unit of there is no unit of E square upon 2 epsilon naught hc, and numerical value of this term is 0.0073. So we can see the options, and options are 0.0073 no unit, option A 0.0073 meter, 0.073 second inverse 1, 0.0346 meter inverse 1. So option A should be correct. So dear students, we will meet again in video number 9, in which we will solve one more problem of NSEP 2022 paper. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.